So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Klarna. We couldn't verify your detail. Error. Fix 1 is update personal information. Open the Klarna app and tap the profile icon. Then select personal detail from the menu. Check that your full legal name matches your ID exactly. Then remove any nickname, typos or shortened names. Ensure your birth date is correct. Tap save if you made any update. Second fix is fix the billing address. Go to profile and select address. Then ensure home address matches bank account statement exactly. Verify that unit, suite or apartment number are in the correct field. Remove any old or temporary address from your profile. Then tap save to confirm the correct address. Third fix is change device connection. Disconnect from any VPN or proxy servers in your phone setting. Turn off Wi-Fi to switch your phone to cellular data. Ensure your phone location service are turned on. Fourth fix is clear app cache in Android. Open your phone main setting menu, then tap apps or application. Find and select Klarna from the list, then tap storage, tap clear cache. Relaunch the Klarna app. Fifth fix is offload and reinstall app in iOS. Open your iPhone main setting menu, then tap journal, then tap iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap Klarna. Tap offload app and confirm the choice. Tap reinstall app on the same screen once it finish. Sixth fix is submit verification ID. Attempt the purchase or verification step again, then take a photo of your driver license or passport when prompted. Ensure the lighting is bright and free to glare on the ID. Keep all four concerns of the ID visible within the camera frame. Ensure the text on the ID is clear and readable before submitting. Thanks for watching.